Hello everyone, so straight into the DIY today. So I'm doing a ring topper on this adjustable ring I have. So I have quite a few of these. I might turn this into a series. Let me know if you would like me to do so. So first of all, I rolled out 3 colors of clay to make the paddling pool. So as you can see, I've got 2 pinks and a blue color. I thought these worked really well together. Then I moved on to kind of making a base on my ring. So realistically, I didn't need to actually do this part. If you're going to make your ring topper and then glue it onto something later on, you should probably do this step, but realistically, I didn't need to do it. So I basically grabbed one of my worms, wrapped this round and cut off the excess and kind of smooth the edges together, and then I repeated this with my other 2 colors, as you can see here. If you don't have like a metal ring or ring base, you can always just make rings from clay, like overall, like a whole clay ring. I have a full tutorial. You can check my description to find the link. So once I had done the paddling pool, I baked this and made sure it was cooled before adding some UV resin. So I'm just using UV resin because it's nice and quick and I can cure it straight away. Alternatively, you can use some like E6000 glue. It would just take a while to dry. If you go that route, you might want to put your frog in and then add the glue rather than doing it in like these stages I've done. So after I had done that, I started doing my frog. So I made kind of a like chubby triangle kind of shape, I'd say, and then I added on like 2 kind of balls for the eyes, like left and right, and I'm just using this like clay kind of silicone rubber tool to smooth the clay down onto the body of the frog. Let me know what kind of animal I should do next in the paddling pool. I'd love to know your ideas in the comments below. Then I added some little legs, so I just rolled out like a tiny piece of the same color clay and then cut this in half and kind of just basically made little legs and squashed these onto the body, and also using my clay tool just to make sure that it was nice and stuck down. Then I grabbed some pink, actually one of the pinks I used for the paddling pool, to give like some cute little blush cheeks on the frog. So I just rolled these out into like tiny circles using my fingers, and then using like my craft knife to stick these onto the frog's face. So if you don't want to do like all the details with clay, you can always just like paint these on afterwards. Acrylic paints are the best, and yeah, it's up to you how you want to do it. I just decided to do everything in clay. So after I'd done the cheeks, I did like the same method for the whites of the eyes, just getting some white clay and then kind of flatten it into a bit of a circle, and then putting this on to the frog's face and just using my clay tool to make sure it's nicely stuck down. So once the whites of the eyes were done, I then added a tiny piece of black to make the pupils for the eyes, and I rolled out a bit of black clay as well to make the mouth, and using my clay tool to stick this down onto the face. Then I added like a tummy detail using a different shade of green to the one I'd made the frog in. Again, the same method for the cheeks and the eyes, just making a little circle and pressing this down onto his tummy. So then I baked and let this cool. Then I placed the frog into the paddling pool and then added some more UV resin and cured this. And then my froggy paddling pool ring topper was complete. So here is how the final ring turned out. How cute is that? I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. He does look a bit like funny, his pupils are like looking in different directions, but I think it looks really cute. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!